Has this ever happened to you? You just get back from the woods with your super sweet Bowie doing man shit, and you take your girl out for some fine dining at the local Subway. You go to open her Cheetos for her, and you can't even get in the bag. Come on, guys. You can do better than this. You obviously need to touch up your edge. You could go out and purchase one of these other strops that won't even sit on the table. You just keep pushing it all over the place. Or you go out and you buy one of these handheld double-sided strops and you think that you've got her licked. Well, one time you set the thing down and now you got Cheeto dust all over your strop. No good. That's why we at OCD-4-EDC are introducing the STROP 9011D17.5. With the STROP 9011D17.5, this super sweet piece will sit securely on the dashboard of your El Camino or your Dodge Ram, and you can strop and impress your girl with the super sweet, sultry sound of steel hitting leather. Or, if it's one of those kinds of nights, you could impress her with steel on wood. So this super sweet strop here comes with either basswood and leather, and it is guaranteed to put a smile on your girl's face. So the next time when you're trying to open up her bag of chips or cookies or donuts or, whatever your girl's into, guys, it doesn't do you any good when you have this sweet Bowie hanging off your hip that you picked up last year at the county fair if it's not going to perform when Betty Lou asks you to get it out. So, when you get on the Super Strop 9011D 17.5, you get your edge fine-tuned and you get this highly tactical and beautifully crafted 6 inches of steel. You get it all tuned up. And then when your girl sees this and she says, "Dang, that's a sharp knife." Guys, you'll be penetrating boxes all over town, if you know what I mean. Giggity. Once you pick up your Super Strop 9011D17.5 Extreme and you get your basswood strop as well as the leather strop, you're also going to get resealable bags to keep your strops clean, because let's be honest, nobody likes a dirty strop. You get these nice cardboard inserts to protect your strops when they're bagged up. And guys, you got to be safe. I always say, bag it up. So, before you get right up in there and you start penetrating boxes all over town, you bag it up, okay? Just a word to the wise. All right, but once you have this in your possession, then you can purchase separate leather pieces as well as wood. Just pay separate fee. And anyway, guys, this thing will look so nice sitting on the dashboard of your El Camino or Dodge Ram 1500 Hammy. So anyway, we are all about tuning up blades here at the old OCD, and we're all about getting our customers up in some boxes. So keep that in mind, guys. When you're going out on your date to pick up Betty Lou, don't let this happen to you and you spill them dang-gum Cheetos all over the floor. Okay? What you're looking for is penetrating boxes as well as nice cuts right here. Yes. So get up in there. Get yourself a strop. You can pick these up at OCD4EDC.com. Free shipping. Just check out the code Walter Forever. The Super Strop 9011D17.5 is 100% made in the USA. These are all handmade by Mr. Stephen Kluver right here in Iowa. You know how we do it in the Midwest. We ain't messing around. We're bringing high quality to you, you know, so you can get up in those boxes and start penetrating.